Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, it's Sunday after bonfire night. It's a bit muggy, a bit foggy here today. Just want to show you, just moving some of my plants, and I wondered where all the slugs and snails are coming from. As you can see, big old slug there, but a proper little, I don't know what you call it for, this many snails. Wow, look at all them, man. To dig all them, get all them out, get them all moved. But yeah, what a lot of slugs and snails, well, snails basically. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 20 or 30 there. God knows what's actually underneath these here. I bet they're probably underneath there as well. I don't know if they hibernate for the winter or what they do, but I'm going to get all them off into the I'll put them in a bag. You can take them to the woods. Don't like killing things if I don't have to. The woods are on it. I only live on a corner from the woods, so I can get that done. Just move these last few here. So what I'm doing, I'm just moving all my primulas. I got these from these were little plug plants. They've not been watered because they've been stuck under there. So the ones that have had some water, as you can see, carried on growing, but the ones right up against the wall don't get any water at all. So as you can see there, and all the damage from the snails. These ones have had plenty of water, and look at the difference. Okay, hopefully that one is compared to these. Anyway, I've given them a good water. I'll put that one down here. That one and that one. See, when they're close, they don't get enough water. That one under there. Everything around. I've nearly finished my extension on my new greenhouse. As soon as that's done, I shall show everybody over there. But yeah, slugs and snails. Probably some of these pots actually that I fetched around. Just have a look. I need to get some slug pellets, some slug and snail pellets, some organic ones, and then get them all treated. But as you can see, everything's starting to die back now. Some people don't like this time of year for your garden. I love it. Watch everything change, everything go into hibernation before we get any frost. As you can see here, let everything die back, especially my begonias. See, this one's totally died back. This one was like that big probably 2-3 years ago, and it's like a good 6 inches now across. As soon as these die back off here, that one there, look, get that one there, break that one. That one's come off nicely. So they'll dry up nicely, and then I can dig these out. I should put them in some pots and stick them under my LED grow lights in the greenhouse. So thank you for watching, everybody. If you like my videos, please subscribe everybody, and please click on the bell for notifications. And if you're on my Facebook, please follow. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Bye.